What's up, y'all? On your warm-up today, I'm asking you to find the perimeter of this shape. And if you guys hopefully remember, the perimeter of a shape is at all the sides lengths added together. So if you see this shape and you say, okay, well, here's three numbers. So I'm going to add those three numbers together, 4 plus 6.5 plus 2.5. You're going to be wrong because you're forgetting these two sides. Just because there's no number labeling the side length doesn't mean you don't add the side. Okay, so when we have a shape with two sides that are opposite, that are the equal length, we can just assume that the measurement of one side is the measurement of the other side, right? If you look at these two lines here, they are the exact same length. So if this top one is 6.5 centimeters, then this bottom one is also going to be 6.5 centimeter. Then the same thing goes for this. If this line is 2.5 centimeters, we can assume that this line is also 2.5 centimeters. So now that we have the length of all of the sides of the shape, now we can actually add them up together. And if I added them all up together, it's going to be 4 plus 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Now that I've got this, I'm adding mixed numbers together. So this makes, I can do a step here that's going to make this a little easier. Here's my trick. Okay, anytime I have two numbers with 1/2 at the end, mixed numbers with a whole number and 1/2, I'll just add those two together, and those two halves make a whole. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. So 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. You guys might already have known that. Okay, I can do that same thing for 6.5. If I add those halves together, they equal 1. And 6 plus 6 together is 12. So 12 plus 1 is 13. And then I bring down the 4. And now I have 4 plus 13 plus 5. 4 plus 13 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. Ooh, that was not a good 2. Let's try to make that one better. There you go. 22 centimeters. That's our answer.